Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to transfer Ethereum from Kraken to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, it's crucial to handle your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresh, I'll guide you through each step in a simple, straightforward way. So, grab your devices, and let's get started. First things first, make sure your Arculus wallet is set up and ready to go. If you haven't already, download the app from the official store, create an account, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. This wallet is known for its top-notch protection, which is perfect for 2025's advanced threats. Next, log into your Kraken account. Head to the Kraken website or app, enter your credentials, and enable 2FA if you haven't. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select Ethereum. Here, you'll see your ETH balance. Double-check that it's what you expect. Now, for the main action: withdrawing from Kraken. Click on Withdraw next to your Ethereum wallet. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is your Arculus wallet address. To find this, open your Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and copy the ETH address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to avoid any costly mistakes. Typos can send your funds into the void. After pasting the address, enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, Ethereum transactions might be faster with upgrades like Ethereum 3.0, but fees can still vary, so aim for a standard speed to save costs. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm, and complete any additional security steps Kraken throws your way. Once the transaction is initiated, keep an eye on it. You can track the status on Kraken or use a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, head back to your Arculus wallet and refresh to see your ETH arrive. Congrats! You've just made a secure transfer. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets when possible and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, reach out to Kraken or Arculus support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.